If you're on the hunt for a visual note-taking app, you might have come across xTiles, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes it tick and whether it's worth your time. xTiles is designed to help users organize their thoughts and ideas visually. At its core, it allows you to create boards filled with tiles that can hold text, images, links, and even videos. This flexibility is a big draw for creatives, students, or anyone who prefers a more dynamic way to take notes. Navigating the app feels intuitive, especially if you're used to visual tools. You can drag and drop tiles, resize them, or even change their colors to suit your style. However, while the interface is user-friendly, some features feel a bit scattered. For example, there's a lack of detailed tutorials that could help new users get the most out of the platform. The intended audience seems to be those who thrive on visual learning, but it's not clear how well it caters to more traditional note takers. Overall, xTiles has potential, but some areas could use more clarity and support. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, xTiles excels in its visual appeal and flexibility. The ability to mix different types of content in one place is engaging and can spark creativity. However, it's not without its issues. Some users might find the lack of advanced features like robust collaboration tools or offline access a downside. Additionally, there's a noticeable absence of user feedback on the platform, which raises some trust concerns. Pricing details also feel a bit vague, making it hard to gauge if it's a good investment. This app might be perfect for visual learners and creatives, but those looking for a more structured approach to note-taking may feel left out. In conclusion, xTiles offers a unique and visually engaging way to take notes, but it may not suit everyone. If you're a visual learner or a creative, it's worth exploring. However, if you prefer a more traditional approach, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it feels like a product with promise, but it could use some fine-tuning.